Ferraris are already among the best engineered cars in the world, and their factory designs often leave little room for improvement. However, when a tuner like Novitec gets its hands on one of these masterpieces, magic happens. This is exactly what Novitec has done with the Ferrari SF90 XX, a hypercar that already packs a punch, but, as far as Novitec is concerned, wasn't loud enough. Known for its ability to enhance Ferrari's performance without compromising their integrity, Novitec has taken the SF90 XX to a whole new level. Novitec's primary goal with the SF90 XX was clear: make it louder. The SF90 XX, while impressive in every way, didn't quite match the roar and excitement that Ferrari fans expect from a hypercar. To fix this, Novitec focused on the exhaust system. The SF90 XX's 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine is already a force to be reckoned with, but Novitec squeezed an additional 30 horsepower out of it, bringing the total output to an astonishing 1,046 horsepower and 620 lb-ft of torque. This enhancement turns the SF90 XX into a true monster on the road, one that's ready to deliver on its promise of exhilarating speed and sound. But Novitec didn't stop there. The tuner, known for its expertise in performance tuning and weight-saving techniques, made sure that this power boost came with some added benefits. The new exhaust system is available in either stainless steel or Inconel, a lightweight and high-performance material used in Formula One. The Inconel option is particularly noteworthy for its ability to shed weight while amplifying the engine's roar, making the SF90 XX not only faster, but also more agile. One of the key aspects of Novitec's upgrade is the careful attention paid to the hybrid system of the SF90 XX. Unlike many tuners who might tamper with the delicate balance of hybrid components, Novitec chose to leave the hybrid motors and electric systems untouched. The result is a car that retains its efficient hybrid nature while becoming even more powerful and thrilling to drive. The exterior of the SF90 XX also received Novitec's signature touch. The most noticeable change is the fitment of new, larger 20-inch front and 21-inch rear wheels, which are wrapped in high-performance tires measuring 255/35 and 325/25, respectively. These wheels enhance the car's aggressive stance and contribute to its handling, ensuring that the car's performance matches its aesthetics. To complement the new wheels, Novitec installed sports springs that lower the car's ride height by 25 millimeters at both the front and rear, further improving the car's aerodynamics and handling. Adding to the car's menacing look, Novitec also equipped the SF90 XX with carbon covers for the wing mirrors. These subtle yet stylish details give the car an even more aggressive appearance, elevating the overall visual impact. The Ferrari is finished in a stunning shade of blue, giving it a unique and luxurious presence on the road that is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. Inside, Novitec offers customers the option to upgrade the cabin to match the car's dramatic exterior. The tuner promises to transform the interior of any SF90 XX that comes through its doors, ensuring that the cabin reflects the same level of craftsmanship and luxury as the car's performance. This particular SF90 XX is a customer car, though Novitec hasn't disclosed how much this customer paid for the modifications. However, it's safe to assume that with the combination of increased power, custom aesthetics, and weight-saving measures, this Ferrari is a truly one-of-a-kind vehicle that goes far beyond what the factory model offers. Novitec has once again proven that it's not just about making cars faster. It's about making them more exciting, more visually stunning, and more exclusive. With its enhanced exhaust, power boost, and impeccable attention to detail, the Novitec Ferrari SF90 XX is a hypercar that perfectly blends performance, luxury, and that unmistakable Ferrari thrill.